Hey guys, in this video we will install Git on Windows. It's a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code. You can check if you have Git already installed in your machine or not. Open the command prompt and type git -- version. As you can see, Git is not installed on my machine. We are gonna install it. Open your browser and go to any search engine. I'll open google.com and search for Git. This is the official Git site where the binaries of Git is hosted. Just open the URL and click on download button, and based on your operating system you can click and download for Mac or Linux or Windows. In my case, I'm gonna click on the Windows. Here also we have a big download button. I'm just gonna click and it's gonna start the downloading. I'll save it. As you can see, the download is completed. Click on the folder and we have the Git installation file. It's a simple Windows installation setup. Just double click on the exe and we are gonna follow the wizard. We are keeping it everything by default. We are not changing any setting as of now. Just click next, 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 and click install. As you can see, the installation is completed. I'll just uncheck view release notes option and click on finish. Now we have to restart the command prompt to see whether the Git is installed in our machine or not. I'll just close this command prompt and I'll go and type cmd again, git -- version, and as you can see we have the latest version of Git install, which is 2.23 at the time of recording. In this video we have downloaded the Git and installed in Windows machine. In next video we'll see how we can initialize Git repository. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you.